We have one more drawing to do, and that's the end elevation. Let's just roll our wheel back and see where we are on our drawing. Hold the mouse wheel down and just pan over a little bit like that to see where we are. We want to draw this is our side elevation, we want to draw an end elevation just in here. So let's offset that side line, let's say 100 mil, and press enter. Let's click on that line across here, 100 mil, enter, and then right click again, repeat offset, and our width of our Oilstone case is 72 mil, so type that in and press enter, and we'll go enter, left click, and left click over here, enter. I want to draw a line across the bottom, so I'll go to the line command, type and draw a line, and I've done the same thing again. As you notice, my line is hidden. I'll just escape from that command, and I'll go up to hidden here, and we'll go back to building, layer. Now I can go back to my line command. So if I click on line, left click, see the GIF locates onto the endpoint, left click there and left click on there, enter. We show a line here being the same height as that. I'll just scroll in so you can see what I'm doing. We want a line exactly the same height across from here to here. The easiest way to do that is just do the offset command. So click on offset, type in 32 if we want, and up 32, enter. This line here is only the same height as that line there, so we'll need to make that line up to 25. So we'll right click again to repeat offset. We could go up to offset here, but it's a lot quicker to do this, and type in 25, enter. Left click on the middle line, left click above the line, not on the line or anywhere, just anywhere above it, left click, and right click, enter. We need to have that same diagonal across there as we do there, so it would probably be easy just to copy that line and bring it across to this point here. So we go up to the copy command, left click on copy, left click on the line, and then right click, and it asks us where we want to move that line from. Where do we want to copy it from? I want to copy it from this intersection here. So left click on that point, take your finger off, and drag it over till we get to that top of that line there, and then left click. Then right click, enter. That line is now just copied itself from there to there. I'll need to put that line over here, but it's the wrong way. You see it goes that way. Let's just do the mirror command. So if we go to mirror, left click on the mirror command, left click on that line, then right click, specify the center point, which that is the center of that line, bring it down to the bottom there, left click. Do we want to erase it? No, so right click, enter. And we've got our diagonal lines there and there. Let's do the trim command. So we go trim, click on these two lines here, two diagonal lines, left click, right click for the second part of the command, left click, and left click, right click, enter. Now we've got our top made up. But we need to draw the Oilstone case, or the Oilstone inside of our case. So we have to do it the same way we did it on the side elevation. We'll go offset. We know that line is 16 mil down, so we go 16, enter. So left click down, 16, right click, enter. Right click again, repeat offset, type in 26, nearly forgot, and then left click on that line, left click above it, right click, enter. And we are in 11 mil. I'll just pan down to the bottom here, you can see how that line here was 11 mil in from that side. So I'll just pan down to our end elevation, and I'll need to offset that line 11 mil, enter. Now I'm going to do both sides because it's probably easier. So left click, and then left click, right click, enter. Now we can do the hidden line. So we're back up here, click on the hidden line, left click, and I want to draw a line right around those four corners. So let's start from here, left click, into that corner, left click, down to that corner, left click, and type C for close. We need to get rid of those construction lines. Let's go to erase, left click. I'm going to just be a bit lazy and do my crossings box, makes it easier, and then left click and left click, right click, and there's that Oilstone inside the box. The next one we'll be doing is the dimensioning and text.